It says it's at 36, and I just want to just zoom in so you guys can see. So we are at 36, and let us see if the percentage will go down or go up. I think the problem in which we are having it was going down instead of up. And so far the meter is not showing me the voltage and amps that it's supposed to be showing. This cable is a high data cable and it is short. But the first thing I've noticed so far, we are at 37 now. So the charge is going down instead of going up. So we're going to just unplug this new battery because the battery is not the problem. So guys, we clean the port up and we're trying to see if we can get it resoldered properly. And I'm going to show you that it's charging. The problem in which we had with this tablet is that the battery was going down instead of up while charging. So we are at 3%. I am going to leave this a while to charge. I am going to leave this for a while to charge, and we are going to see if the battery goes up, and then you can able to figure out if you're having this problem how you can fix it. It can either be the charging port or the battery or the motherboard or something not functioning properly. So I'm going to pause this video and give this some charge. So guys, after replacing the charging port, we can see that the percentage is going up. It's at 8% currently. So we know that whatever we did here is successful, replacing the charging port, ensuring all the pins are connected properly, and your tablet should be good. So I hope that this was helpful to you guys. If it was, let me hear you in the comment section, and if you had this problem, let me know how you went about fixing it.